much of this island is ours to explore. No matter how much we see, I know we'll find more. There's got to be more. It's going to be the most magic